Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about lightening shower gel, and I want to let you know if you're having uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, melasma, the only way you can get rid of it is by using products that has melanin inhabitants. You don't need to feel sad if you're using any lightening products, or you should not feel terrible as well. The only way you should feel terrible while using lightening products is if the ingredients used in formulating the shower gel is harmful to be used on the skin. But if you have checked and made your research and you have found out that the products used in formulating the shower gel is skin friendly, you have nothing to worry about. So today I'll be introducing to you guys effective lightening shower gel that can help treat your even skin tone and still will not affect your health. Well, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Elo, and guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click on the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss out each time I post a video, and so you keep on seeing those beautiful faces. If you're wondering what is this shower gel we are talking about in today's video, well, shower gel is a synthetic detergent which is derived from fruit extract and plant extract. This is basically what it is, and the reason why I love shower gel compared to soap is because it is very hydrating, and for someone like me that have a dry skin. First shower gel I'll be introducing in today's video is it is So White Ultra Refreshing Shower Gel. You know, this shower gel is infused with revitalized blend of pomegranates, melon and glycerin. This is actually the three ingredients used in formulating this shower gel, and what the programming will do for your skin is that it has an anti-aging benefit. It will protect your skin from fine lines, wrinkle and sun damage, while the melon is actually high in vitamin C. And you know, vitamin C is an antioxidant which protects the skin from free radical, glow up your skin, brighten up your skin, while the glycerin will offer hydration, helps the skin to retain moisture, hereby, revealing a healthier, more radiant skin. So what this shower gel will do is that it's going to brighten your skin, revitalize your skin, smoothen your skin and soften your skin. So this is actually a good one, and it is formulated with natural plant and fruit based extracts which will nourish your skin and promote a healthy, revitalized skin. So this is actually a good one, and it's sold for 8,000 naira, and it will also work on imperfection on the skin like dark spots, rashes, uneven skin tone, wrinkles, melasma, and at the same time treat dry skin. The second on our list is Fair and White Exfoliating Scrub Gel. This wash is very good for the skin. It will brighten up your skin, glow up your skin, hydrate your skin, and offer the core benefits of using a very good shower gel. And it can be used on all skin types, including dark skin, fair skin, whatever your skin complexion is. This gel will meet your skin needs, and it is formulated with apricots. So if you're someone that don't love to scrub or that don't like to scrub your skin, even as much as I know will preach that people should scrub their skin, there are some people that are quite busy or people that are finding how to scrub your skin. I will encourage you to make use of this shower gel because the apricots will help to smoothen your skin, soften your skin, and it helps to renew the skin by removing dead skin cells. This is what basically this shower gel will do for you. So if you are someone that don't want or that is still lazy to incorporate exfoliating in your skincare routine, this will be a good one that will save you the time of exfoliating. Then it is also formulated with glycerin, which I said glycerin acts as an humectant. It has it acts as an irritant. It will help the skin to retain moisture and hydrate your skin. So with continuous use, this product will give you a fresh skin, clarify your skin, smoothen your skin, exfoliate your skin, and reveal a brighter, more radiant skin. And this shower gel is sold for 7,000 naira. Third on our list is Dr. TEALS Body Wash Glow and Radiance. The reason why I love this body wash is that it is formulated also with fruit and plant base. It is so natural and very mild, and it can be used on all skin types. This body wash will offer hydration, repairer, and it also brightens your skin. It is formulated with vitamin C, vitamin E, aloe vera, and shea butter. Shea butter is known for its moisturizing and healing benefits, while vitamin C is an anti-oxidant that helps to glow up the skin, brightens the skin, and vitamin E protects the skin from harmful environments, causing free radical, like protecting your skin from probably harmful weather like sunlight, harmful wind. The aloe vera will also offer a repairing benefit. So this is actually a good one. If you can incorporate it in your skincare routine, it's going to do your skin a lot of good. So while using this product, you should expect a brighter skin, a healthy skin, a nourished skin, a softer and more radiant skin. And this shower gel is sold for 5,000 naira. The fourth on our list is Pure Egyptian Body Wash, and this body wash comes in different varieties. I do recommend this body wash for someone that has a very hard skin. You want your skin to be softer. Probably you're someone, no matter what you use, or you want to basically lighten your skin, and you have tried a lot of products and it's not working for you. Aside incorporating exfoliation in your skin routine, I believe this body wash is also for you because it's for people that have a very hard skin. So if your skin is soft or you easily get irritated, I believe you should stay away from this product. It comes in different varieties, but the one I'll be talking about, or which I believe is the mild one, is actually the Magic Whitening Shower Gel. It is sold for 5,300. This body wash is formulated with vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, citric acid, which is also a form of vitamin C that nourishes the skin and promotes a lighter, revitalized skin. Another good thing about this body wash is that it deep cleans and exfoliates the skin, thereby softening your skin. So this, like I said, is very, very good for someone that has a very high skin. You can start by using this body wash to soften your skin and allow your cream to work better for you. So this is actually a good one, and this actually works to clear your acne, your blemishes, your wrinkles, your melasma, your dark spots, and uneven skin tone. The reason why I love it is that it is actually mild than the rest of the ones that you have tried. So like I said, whenever you're starting a product, it's better to start little. So you can start by using this type, then you can exit from using this type to using the other ones that are that is more effective. While using this product, you should expect a better skin, and it also helps to reduce stress on your skin. Like maybe after going out, I know there are some people that actually use two different body wash to balance their skin. Like let's take for example, probably on a Saturday, after stressing yourself going to market runs at night, you can just shower with this to relieve stress on your skin. Probably you have gotten sunburn or you have stressed your skin and it is looking dull. This is actually the body wash I would recommend for you. It deep cleans the skin, promotes a healthy, radiant skin, and it is recommended for all skin types. The fifth one I'll be recommending in today's video, it is BISMID shower gel. And the reason why I love this shower gel is that it has exfoliating benefits as well, and it is formulated with citric acid, which is a form of vitamin C, which is called flavonoids, which promotes a radiant, glowing skin. It is also formulated with glycerin, which will help the skin to retain moisture, and argan oil, argan seed oil. Argan seed oil is known for its healing and repairing benefits. So this is also going to repair your skin, treat a number of scars on your skin. So this is actually a good one to promote a radiant skin, treat your even skin tone, brighten up your skin, fight hyperpigmentation. So you can also use this as an alternative shower gel, especially for someone that don't like to scrub their skin. You can also use this as your shower gel. It will soften your skin, help your skincare products penetrate better, and also find signs of aging because of the high vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to protect your skin against free radical, aside brightening up your skin. I believe that this is actually a good one to incorporate in your skincare routine. So if you're wondering if this product is good, it is good. I've tried this product and I can categorically tell you that I'm very, very satisfied with this product. It's recommended for all skin type. Even as much I said it's for people that have hard skin, this product will not irritate your skin. I've checked the ingredients and it's all packed with skin loving ingredients, and it's going to give you a luminous glow and have everyone complimenting your skin. And it is sold for 4,500. The sixth on our list is VEETGOLD. My love for VEETGOLD products, because their products is very organic. It hydrates, brightens, refresh, and revitalize the skin. It is formulated with 4 key ingredients, which is vitamin C, vitamin B3, carrot extract, and LOTION. Vitamin B3 is known as niacinamide, and what it does is that it helps the skin to fight acne and fade acne marks, and it has brightening effect. Carrot seed extract is also vitamin C, which promotes a radiant skin, protects the skin against free radical, protect your skin against aging and fighting aging and fine lines. LOTION will smoothen your skin, moisturize your skin, and helps to fight scars on the skin. So this is actually a good one, and at the same time it is very affordable. It's sold for 3,000 naira. So if you are using this product, you should expect a brighter skin, a revitalized skin, a smoother skin, a soft skin, and a well nourished, healthy skin. So this is actually a good one, and it is also budget friendly. Seventh one I'll be introducing in today's video is K Brothers. It's also formulated with natural ingredients like vitamin C, carrot, and papaya. It will help nourish your skin, brighten up your skin, hydrate your skin, and offer a healthy skin. It is loaded with antioxidants, which will protect your skin from free radical, protect your skin against uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, whatever your skin condition is. This K product is going to help you out. It comes in different varieties, but the one in this picture is the one I'll be introducing to you guys. They also have the one with kojic acid, but this particular one I believe will also brighten your skin and at the same time promote a radiant, healthy skin. So this is actually a good one, and it is sold for 5,500. The last one I'll be introducing to you all in today's video is Glutathione injection body gel, and this actually comes in different varieties, and it's also good for people that have hard skin, or you just want a quick result. This is the one you will go for. But the one I'll be introducing to you guys in today's video is this one. It's also a glutathione, but this is the kojic, the gluta-kojic and glutathione. This is the mild one, and you know kojic is a natural, you know, melanin inhibitor which helps to fight dark spots, uneven skin tone and wrinkles. And if you watch my previous video, I did a simple skincare routine you can incorporate to help to fight your hyperpigmentation, and I'll also introduce kojic acid. So kojic acid is very, very good. It can be drying, yes, but you should also be careful while using it. But this body wash is actually mild. The glutathione will promote a healthier, you know, lighter skin, and also kojic acid will also help to inhibit melanin on the skin, reducing dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, melasma, your skin condition, and promote a healthy, radiant, revitalized skin. So the products I mentioned in today's video, they are all plant and fruit based. You know, it is not harmful, but at the same time it will give you a radiant skin that you crave for. The fastest way, or if you're using this product for the first time and you just want to, you know, I understand, like when you buy a product you just want to see a faster result, and probably at the long run the effect can be okay. So what you would do if you want a faster result, how to use it is that you pour water on yourself, you wet your skin, and you just apply the shower gel on your body. You allow it to stay for the first time. You can start from a minute, then you can extend to 5 to 10 minutes, especially for people that don't like to scrub their skin. If you're making use of the scrubbing gel, you can just rub it, allow it to stay for like 10 minutes, then you wash it off. This is the way to use it. You know, don't forget to apply your sunscreen, your body oil, any body oil you're using, and don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and your veggies, and I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Till we see you next time, bye.